Did you know that there is already made solution for something like this? Well, let me introduce you with a contextual flow row and a column. If you have used a flow row or a flow column before, then this new composable will make you even more happier. The main difference between them is that this new solution allows you to render only a fixed number of UI components initially, while manually revealing more items if needed. It offers additional customization option so that you can hide some or most of the items that have been expanded in the first place. Let me show you how it works. In this demo screen, I have a list of multiple string items that we're gonna display in that row. Then, below that, we have an integer state that will be updated dynamically. The reason why we need this state is so that we can show or hide more rows inside the contextual flow row when a user clicks the button. Below that, let's call a contextual flow row composable, pass the number of items that you want to show here in this row. Then, for the max lines, I will declare a constant for a default number of lines. In this case, we can leave that to number 2, for example. We can even customize how many items we want to show in each row, or we can leave out these parameters so that we can fit as many items as we can in each row. It's your choice. Next, we have the overflow parameter that allows us to specify how to handle those items within this row. There are two options here. The first, expand the indicator, which shows only the expand button if there are more items that can be loaded. And the second option, expand or collapse indicator, that shows both expand and the hide button components. Hide button will become visible only when you show all your items. I will provide custom components for both expand and collapse indicators. Both of them will be represented as a text button composable. Whenever we click this expand indicator, we can increase the max lines by 1, which will immediately reflect on this whole component to show an additional row of items. We can use existing properties like a total item count and a show item count to calculate how many items we can load more. On the other hand, for the collapse indicator, we can reset the max line state to its default value when a user clicks on that hide component. Pretty neat. Finally, as a trailing lambda in this contextual flow row, we can display a text button for each item in this list. Perfect. Finally, if you launch the application, this is the result that you're going to get. Awesome. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and of course, don't forget to leave a like, but only if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.